The next thing we're going to do is add in our smaller tools. For this, we are going to copy our rough program, and we will now go to our tooling database and add a smaller tool. We will use a 3mm ball cutter with rough finish settings. We are going to re-reference our new previous tool, which will now be a 6mm, the toolpath before. It will acquire the new geometry. Hit OK. I'm now going to copy this again to change this to a 1mm, so we can finish the part to the size of the smallest radius. We now hit OK and reference rough 03, the 3mm toolpath, so that it understands where the stock is properly. Once we have linked it to the proper toolpath, we now need to acquire the geometry to bring in the cutting conditions from our 3mm ball, so we are referencing the right toolpath. We can now hit play on these toolpaths to calculate them to understand if they will collide or not. When the toolpath is done calculating, we notice that our 1mm tool has a warning. When we show the optimization error, it's telling us that our holder is interfering. Our interfering length is 13mm. So we see we have the interference issue. Looking at our part, we realize that some of this issue is caused by the fact that the holes are not covered, so the cutters want to go in there. This will be the first thing we are going to fix to keep the tool paths out of the holes.